So, good afternoon, sir. Tataket interview in the ka for our requirements in PE, which is about your experience in swimming.
What inspired you to become a swimmer?
Ipod nagubingap kayat ko talaga agdigdigos karayanin isunod-sunod ti simali ti swimming.
Can you tell us about how you first got into swimming?
I started idi ubingap, idi insalid up iti entrance J school me. And then idi makita da nga adda potential ko ti swimming ket inikandak pa iti chance nga makilaban ti sabali nga eskwela.
What's been the most memorable moment of your swimming career so far?
Iti kadwan jak malipatan na moment ko ket idi nangabak nak ti gold medal iti regional meet. Natagsak ko na ita ti imo na nga time nga nakaabak nak iti may sadak kila competition.
What's the biggest challenge you face in your swimming journey and how did you overcome it?
I face so many challenges in swimming ken may side ticket idi na injury ti ramay ko no udan ti training ken competition ko ken baben ti panagparik na ken support dagiti pamilya ken coach ko nakarecover ken nagsubli ti pamatik ko ti bagik.
What advice would you give to aspiring swimmers?
For me siguro anos lang and then also panagpursige ken pamati ti bagim.